Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am playing Battle Royale for the first time. I wanted to land in launch base but that was too far, so I landed in Crash. And yeah, this was like Crash map. Look at this helicopter, and this is that our high rise building, that our tall big building, bada building. I was looting and exploring the crash, but my that लेटने वाला button was too big, so I was always going like this. I was always falling down. Imagine if we could go inside this room in a multiplayer mode, but then camping would go BRR brr. I used my operator skill, but then I noticed in the map there was an enemy behind me. And I guess this was a bot because I am in a low rank, and yeah, I guess this was a bot. But then another guy came out of nowhere, and I don't think so this was a bot or this was a bot, because this guy was sniping, and yeah, he was using kilo bolt. So maybe he was a bot, or maybe he was a big noob. Just then I started to search for enemies, and then I got into a gunfight. I stole his kill, and then killed that guy too. And then I found this car, and when I got into the car I didn't knew I had such a cool skin. This skin was like transparent and like a glacier type of, yeah, transparent glacier skin. This skin was really awesome, and I didn't knew from where I got it, but now I think so. I didn't downloaded that whatever it's called. I didn't downloaded the skin, so it was looking like that, but this looks really damn cool. But then I came to fight the boss, the noob boss, and then the boss summoned, and I drove my car into the boss, but nothing happened to him. And this boss had a big machete, but I wasn't getting any damage. This boss is really weak. See, he's so scared of me. He's running away. Yeah, go away, you butcher. See, he's so scared of me. Yeah, run away. You better run away, or else I won't leave you. Ha ha ha. I scared the boss away. Wait, did my teammates scare the boss away? But yes, we killed the boss and looted the kinetic armors. But then after a long time we found some enemies. And then here a guy tried to kill me. I mean, there was no gun in his hands, but then he tried to take out his gun and tried to kill me. That's why I think he was a real player, but he didn't stand a chance. Look at this, my character is looking like Batman, isn't it? Here me and my teammate were chasing a guy, and here my cool looking car skin annoyed me.
Enemy vehicle's nearly done for.
Lol, I was hip firing. This is not PUBG Mobile. This is Call of Duty Mobile. Here my noob teammates stole my kill, but yes, my aim was pretty bad. Here I used my operator skill which turned on my wall hacks, and then I killed the last enemy and we won. Really, plus 146 rank XP. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe and smash the like button. Bye bye.